So this is a bloom, and this, as you can see, is called Bee's Knees. So you got everything included in the little kit that you need to complete the project that you see on the front. So it's learn to knit as you make this cute character for children or anybody who want an easy beginning knitting product to do. It comes with all of this that's you see on the back and everything you need to complete the bloom. So here is the yarn, your instruction booklet, and in here are your knitting needles. They're plastic. Your stuffing. The face, eyes and nose, the little petal, and a pipe cleaner. And you also have the knitting needle. So the instruction begins off with showing you how to start your knitting project with the slip notch on through the casting on your stitches and the knit stitch, which is called the garter stitch. And in the back, it actually gives you the directions. I thought they were right cute, and in return you get to have a little product, cute, adorable products. I'm gonna hang mine around my sewing room. You'll learn each one. I'm not sure, I didn't look at all the packages, but these two will teach you how to do the garter stitch, which is a knit stitch, and it comes with everything you need to complete your project. I thought that was really neat. They were $7 each, and they had a lot of varieties of things you can create or knit. I enjoy knitting, and they even give the directions for your lefties or a righty person. I thought that was rather good. So anybody can use this. Yes, it's the garter stitch, which is straight knitting. So I like that, and we'll be getting some more. I love knitting, and it's something to do other than sewing garments all the time, which I enjoy sewing, but to downsize and take a break and have some downtime. I'm sorry, from sewing actual garments. Fun time. So this little and they have video too for instructions. Learn to knit basic video instruction, brightstripes.com, and that's the name of the company, Bright Stripes.